If you're looking for a home in Kitchener that you can live in and even add an income helper if you want to, or if you're an investor that's looking for a property with AAA tenants, watch the rest of this video. This is Elton Santana with the Hidden Gem of the Week. 339 Rosemont Drive, legal duplex, separate entrances, renovated kitchens, shared with hydro. This one definitely checks many boxes. Come with me in this walkthrough to know more.
All right, let's take a look at 339 Rosemont Drive in Kitchener. The list price is $899,900, and I would say that this is a diamond in rough, or a hidden gem, or the gem of the week. And we will take a look and find out why am I saying that. 20 days on market, which is not too long, but I would say that because I believe this is a bit overpriced, and we have some requirements in terms of possession as immediate, that could be a scenario where you could purchase this property for a lower price, especially in the way that the market is. And after running this through my power system that makes estimates, I would say that the price is a bit too high. So there is a room here for negotiation, in my opinion, in terms of the market. In terms of property itself, it's 3+2 bedroom, so 5 bedroom. And the nice thing about this is that it is a duplex, a legal duplex. This is the important part here. It's a legal duplex. We already have tenants there, and if you get as an investor, then you have to keep the tenants and the current rates and everything. We're going to take a look at the investment spreadsheet to understand where you are if you actually purchase this property as an investment. So taking a look at the property is, like I said, legal duplex. It has separate entrances there. We can see that it was recently renovated. It was in 2021 was the last sale, was June 2021. It's 1 bathroom for the unit on the top, 1 bathroom for the unit on the back, on the lower level. So you have a separate laundry, separate kitchen, separate everything. This is the living room of the top unit. So let's go for the top unit now. So the living room, the spacious living room. Look at the kitchen. The kitchen was renovated recently. I would guess that it's not. We would have to take a look at the previous listings, but it's quite modern. See how the flooring looks like, and the countertop, and the stainless steel appliance, the color of the cabinets. So it's really a nice renovation that was done here. Look at the exhaust. I love those exhaust hoods. It's like a personal preference that I have. Talking about preference, like fridge, for example. If you're going to live in this property, it's like, for me, if I would be living here, the type of fridge that we see there, I think I would only miss the water dispenser. But other than that, it's like really a good level of appliances that we see here. Dining room. It's a dining area. As you can see here, if you go back, this is open concept to the dining area, not to the living. Okay. So this is still connected to the kitchen. This is the bathroom on the top floor. Nothing special to say about the bathroom. It's a regular bathroom. And then going to the bedrooms, it's a stair there to the bedrooms. This is 1 bedroom. This is the 2nd bedroom. And this is the 3rd bedroom. Yeah, so they're all different beds there. So different bedroom here. And now we're going to take a look at the lower unit. So this is the entrance, and this is totally open concept on the bottom unit with the 2 bedrooms. So you see here the space with the living, dining, and kitchen. You can see from the entrance. And then we put another picture of the living room, kitchen. Again, kitchen totally modern. Look at the backsplash of the kitchen as well. It's really a good renovation that was done for the kitchen. And now we have another level here going down. We have the bedrooms, right? The bedrooms are further down. So 1 and 2. As I said, diamond the rough. beyond all this stuff that's there, but that's what happens, right? When you are selling a property that you have tenants living in, then the stager of the property is the tenant, so you have to see beyond that. Bathroom, look at how the bathroom is. Like the bathroom from the lower unit is better than the bathroom from the top unit. So I would actually do a renovation for the bathroom on the top unit, but there's nothing to do here. Pretty much, if you live in, there's nothing to do. It's not that you need to do this immediately, but you can see that most of the renovations were done there, and the laundry on for the lower unit is there to separate from the first one. So that remember that the first unit you have a stacked unit for the laundry, and there's a separate units of washer and dryer. And here is the backyard. Also a good space. And another important information here, that shed you see there has a hydrometer too. So that's a plus. Okay. So another detail about this property, then you see 1963. Yeah, so it's between 51 and 99 years. Possession immediate, as I said, and it's currently tenanted. Now, if you go through the spreadsheet, let's take a look at the investment spreadsheet. And I have this investment spreadsheet that I have available for my clients. So if you're looking for an investment spreadsheet, I think this is a great tool for you to take a look. And I'm going to consider just the price that's being listed for. Not necessarily going to sell for this price, but taking a look at assuming that the down payment is going to be 20%, and interest rate at 4.97 could have, it depends on how much you're going to get, but we are going around 5%. And the monthly rents today, how they are, these are the costs, and everything is included, right? All the utilities are included in the monthly rent, so the tenant doesn't pay anything extra. This brings a $50,000 of yearly gross revenue, but then you have all the expenses and separate everything. The cap rate is going at 4.55. Like I said, I believe we have room for putting the price a bit further down, and it's a matter of that. We can talk. We can see what can be done here based on the market, and then in this spreadsheet you can see the profit that you make per year, which is like you'll be in debt of $6,000. So every month you would have to add another $510. But you see that the monthly mortgage is $3,847. So instead of paying this full mortgage, you would actually, with these two tenants, that's how much you would be paying. And then we can actually, if you think about having a mortgage helper, we could make other exercises here, right? You could be leaving one unit, then you would actually just remove one of the, let's say we remove the top one, and then your mortgage, instead of being $3,047, will go down to $2,044, assuming this interest rate, right? So, of course, the cap rate goes further down because you'd be leaving there, but putting this back, if you are an investor, then you have the summary here that you can see, 510 per month. The return of investment year one is 2.3%, and the monthly mortgage is how much you would pay. So this spreadsheet has also the monthly amortization. You can see, and you have room for additional payments, principal payment here, so that you can play around and see how you can actually pay off for your mortgage, or how much you'll be owing after 5 years, and you can go for a refinance and see the amount that you have there. And then we have the original amortization table as well, with all the 30 years, how much will be for each year there, the principal balance. So I hope that this is useful. If you actually want to have one of these spreadsheets as an investor, contact me, and then I can gladly provide to you, and we can actually even work together on any investment you're looking for. I can help you configure this spreadsheet, okay?
This was the gem of the week. If you want to know more about this or any other home in the Waterloo region, let's chat. If you're an investor and want to use my investment spreadsheet, you can request it via email or phone. Buyers and sellers, contact me and take advantage of my proprietary system to find the best price estimates and how I can help you in your real estate needs. Thanks for watching.